My name is Thomas Hall. I went ahead and used the Southwest AI app, and I put in a difficult loan scenario with some tax returns and everything. And I had somebody else already underwrite it. When it came back, they was almost identical within like a few dollars. And it took about 30 minutes instead of a whole day or two for somebody to analyze that. So, yeah, that AI is going to be the best thing in the whole industry. So stay tuned.
Welcome to The Interest. I'm Sarah Wolak. Before we begin today's show, we wanted to extend condolences to the family of Angelo Mazzillo, who passed on Sunday. Mazzillo was known as the founder, chairman, and CEO of Countrywide Financial, as well as a key player in the 2008 financial crisis. Last week, we learned inflation dropped to 3% in June. Despite doubts, we may be heading for a soft landing, returning to acceptable inflation without a significant rise in unemployment. Contributing to this optimistic outlook are the fading disruptions related to the pandemic and the impact of policies that cool a hot economy, such as the Fed's recent rate hikes. This week, we had some other promising signs that the economy is turning around. The Mortgage Bankers Association's latest loan monitoring survey reveals a decrease in the number of loans now in forbearance. The total dipped by 5 basis points to 0.49% as of June 30th, translating to about 220,000 homeowners. This trend reflects improving financial health for many homeowners, which is underlined by the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics reporting continued job growth and a 3.6% unemployment rate in June. Stay tuned for further economic updates. In other news, Intercontinental Exchange and Black Knight have agreed to sell Optimal Blue, a product and pricing engine unit of Black Knight, to a subsidiary of Canada's Constellation Software. The move is part of an effort by ICE to secure regulatory clearance for its proposed $13.1 billion acquisition of Black Knight. The $700 million deal involves a $200 million cash payment by Constellation and a $500 million promissory note issued to Black Knight. The acquisition is currently under review by the Federal Trade Commission amid antitrust concerns. Coming up, originators from the Ultimate Mortgage Expo tell us how they make it to the closing table.
Don't miss the largest mortgage show in the nation. The Originator Connect returns to Planet Hollywood in Las Vegas August 17th to the 20th. See us at originatorconnect.com. Find the best connections in the industry, dozens of sessions, scores of exhibitors. It's where success is written every hour. originatorconnect.com.
And I'm excited and I look forward to going with the company and learning different aspects as far as what loan products can I offer to the community.
From newbies to old-timers, everyone is trying to crack the code to close a loan. Kianda Coleman, who made the switch from banking to loan originator, has been in the business for 30 days and was excited to learn everything she could.
As far as like helping people with their credit so they can do the purchase. So now it's going to be a little bit more personal for me because now I'm able to help them not on the credit aspect also reach their goal is to be a homeowner. So I am excited about that.
Mm-hmm. At the Ultimate Mortgage Expo, attendees got tips and tricks for how to better do their job by learning a new product or strategies to close.
The goal is always to find a new product, meet a new vendor, and network with other loan originators and brokers.
Finding a loan might be harder these days, but no one is willing to give up on the dream of helping someone start their future.
One vendor I got reacquainted with, which was great for two reasons. One, I really like the account executive that's there now, so that was a plus. The other thing is they have a new program that's better than anything else I currently have.
Attendees were excited to see who and what works.
You know, it keeps you up to speed on what's new. A lot of times you find some new technology, you pick up some new tips and tricks every time. There's always somebody that gives you a nugget.
Mark your calendar because our next big show is on August 10th in San Diego. For The Interest, I'm Christine Stewart.
Thanks, Christine. For more on these and all of today's top stories, visit nationalmortgageprofessional.com.